Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Apple ID without phone number verification in 2026. So guys, if you want to create a new Apple account without phone number verification, here I will show you how can you do this or whether you can do this or not. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open any browser and then search here for account.apple.com. Here you can see this, simply search for account.apple.com, and then you have to simply tap on this website, and you have to wait for some time, and from here tap on this small arrow button, and then tap on create your Apple account, and from here give here your first name and then last name, and select your country or region. From here you have to simply select your country or region correctly, and then enter your date of birth. Here you can see this, enter your day, your month, your year, and then enter your email address, and then give the password. You have to simply create a new password and then confirm the password, and then you have to simply select your country or region from here, and then you have to simply give here your phone number. So guys, do this, and after this scroll it below and then type these given characters in this box and tap on continue. So guys, once you tap on continue, then your ID will be created without verifying your phone number. So guys, you have to simply tap on continue, and if the verification is needed, then this will not be allowed to give you access without verifying your phone number. So guys, you have to simply verify your phone number if it is asked, and after this you will be able to create your account very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.